Mark Dantonio Spartans trying to bounce back, as we all know, from a tough 2016 season. The head coach says there's some opportunities for youngsters on this roster to step up.
I think we have a lot of players that have a potential getting on our football field early in their career. So it's a larger group than we've had, but I think been very impressed.
Again, Mark Dantonio, a young group, as he says. So what can we expect from the Spartans realistically in the 2017 season, knowing they're coming off a 3-9 year?
I don't expect to see them be 3-9. I don't expect to see them be, 1-8 in the conference. They're going to be better, but when you consider better, what's better? Anything above 3 wins is better. I do not think Michigan State will be a top 3, maybe not even a top 4 team collectively in the Big Ten when everything is said and done.
Yeah.
I believe they missed their window because that area of 2013 to 2015, they were one of more of the consistent national contenders, but yet and still they will always come up short of reaching that fulfillment of competing for a championship.
Yeah.
They missed their window because so many other teams in the Big Ten had started to close the gap and even passed them. Penn State was behind Michigan State during that span.
Michigan was behind Michigan.
Michigan was behind Michigan.
They were the team of the state.
Exactly.
When Brady Hoke was
there.
But
you look at where Michigan currently is, they have passed Michigan State. Penn State has passed Michigan State. Nebraska's there right now. Nebraska has a better program.
Wisconsin.
Yeah. Minnesota.
Right.
Yeah. And we know Indiana can score points because they have that high-powered offense, can't stop anybody, but Michigan State don't have the defense they used to have.
Yeah.
So they will be improved, but is that saying a lot when they only won 3 ball games a year ago?
Gosh, a long way still to go. An uphill battle for Mark Dantonio, potentially trying to save his job this year, Dave.